Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I think I have goldfish in my teeth. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. I post new videos all the time. And I know I hear your feedback, you guys. I read the comments. I know that you're sick and tired of vlogs because they're repetitive AF, and I honestly completely agree. So that's why we're switching things up this week. This is gonna be a really fun weekend in my life, and I really wanted to vlog and honestly to document it myself. So like, I'm not gonna be offended if it's not your vibe. But my best friend from college / best friend of life, MARIAH, is coming to visit this weekend. I'm literally about to go pick her up at the airport. This feels so surreal. I haven't had anyone come and visit me yet besides my family, so I'm so excited. We have everything ready. I'm having a big, I've said it in a million videos, so I'm sorry for being redundant, but I'm having a, honestly, it's gonna be pretty large from the amount of people that told me that they're coming to this Halloween party tomorrow. So I am going to be prepping for that in this vlog with MARIAH's help. But I think tonight we're gonna go it's Halloween actually today, but very festive. Not actually, I don't know. I feel like Halloween when you're an adult is like kind of random. I got us like cat ears, so if we wanted to go out we could, but I think we might just do like dinner and drinks tonight because we have a big weekend ahead. Because tomorrow I'm having a party. Saturday is the Georgia-Florida game, so we're gonna go watch that like at a bar in Boston. We just have a big weekend ahead and it's only Thursday. I'm so excited. I got a lot of my like work done and stuff. I still will have a few things to do, of course, but most of the stuff is out of the way so that I can focus on being present and in the moment, which is something I've been really trying to focus on. So I'll show you guys my outfit. I was just eating goldfish like I said. I'm literally about to leave though. I'm planning to get there a little bit early and sit in the cell phone like waiting lot because I just want to make sure I'm all set for everything. So yeah, this is the outfit. I got this sweatshirt. Guys, this is a double XL just for reference, so size up if you want it. I love it. It's from Target. It was like 20 bucks. I actually love it though because it has like that mild print on it, but it's pretty lightweight and it's 60 something today, so I figured this was good. Align leggings, which are really comfy leggings, are like my favorites, and then just mini Uggs because I didn't want to put on sneakers, quite frankly. And then I straightened my hair, got my spray tan going, everything. I have my fit for tomorrow. I'm being a devil, and I have 3 dress options because I'm a psychopath and it's my party and I want to look good, so I have 3 dress options like a crazy person. And I think that's really it. I don't really know what the night has in store, but MARIAH's very comfortable being on camera, so that's really exciting. And I have to take out, well, we have recyclable things, and I will talk to you when I'm with MARIAH. Woo! Look at it. Hi! It's been a minute. So I picked up MARIAH from the airport. It went really well. Didn't die. That was really good. Yeah, she didn't die. And now we are getting ready to go out. We're going to the Coppersmith. They're doing like a Halloween situation. Oh,
should we wear the ears?
Yeah, I was gonna say you put your hair up, but we have cat ears because we're cats.
I'm trying out the
I like it. That's from Just Fab.
Yeah,
it's cute, right?
It's Brooke's.
I love it. Very cute. And
well, how about since you're wearing the devil ears, you wear the cat ears tonight and I'll wear the devil ears?
No, there's 2. I got 2.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, I know. I'm glad that I got them because I had a feeling we'd be like going out. We were gonna just go do like dinner and drinks, but then this is kind of going on and there's a few people going that we know, so I was like, let's just send it, right? Send it.
Meet your friends.
Yeah, I know. I feel like you're like, I don't even know, I feel like it's like meet the parents, but it's like it's just
like kind of your mom.
Yeah, we got these from Party City today. They're not bad. Kitties. I'll show you guys my outfit though. These jeans are from Levi's and I'm actually obsessed. I really struggle to find jeans that fit me right, and I actually really like these. I mean, they're not like perfect, I guess, but I just feel like comfortable in them, which I feel like is really important. The shirt's Princess Polly. It's a little cropped for my taste. I might throw like a bomber on top or something. And then these are the Levi's jeans, and then Amazon booties. Those are for the party tomorrow. It's very exciting. So MARIAH and I are at Trader Joe's now. It's the next day. We are going to get some materials for the cheese board, and I will show you guys after what we get. I want to do like a big one. This way it's like kind of takes care of like all of the snacks in one situation. Really girls. I got an almond milk cappuccino. Which one's mine? One in the back. Yeah, this one. And now we're gonna drive home. I told MARIAH it's like the prettiest drive. Brooke driving. kind of scary. Oh. Pulling out of here is also really hard.
The leaves. Oh, I look terrible.
This is so hard.
Maybe I'll put these on. Maybe I'll look better.
This truck.
This guy is watching his phone.
Oh my god, how did these took me to go?
Okay, focus on driving.
This is a lot of the stuff we got. Pretty exciting. I feel like I don't need to say everything that we got, but in terms of cheeses, I'll show you guys when we put together the cheese board a little later for sure. But we got
some good stuff.
Yeah, these are the cheeses we got to decorate it with thyme and rosemary. I told Mariah we have to try these because I'm addicted. The Honey Mama's chocolates are so good. We're gonna take these shots. Shots. I'm gonna clean the sink out. Just
Fix all my stuff.
Party prep, yeah. But this is an overview of everything.
Cheers.
Oh wait. Here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. We have to do that today.
Ooh. This one's a little spicy.
So dark on you. Why was it? Whoa.
Best buds.
Besties. A blonde and a brunette.
Oh.
Inseparable. What is it? A brunette and a blonde? Is that what it is?
I think it's a blonde and a brunette with an inseparable bond.
A brunette and a blonde with an inseparable blonde.
Oh, that's what it is.
It rhymes. Wait,
Sorry.
that was really not bad, actually.
No, the ginger one isn't bad. This one has like black pepper in it, which gets me sometimes.
Mariah's a Trader Joe's expert too, so.
I told Brooke she should use less plastic also. I'm in the process.
It's a transition.
It's a lifestyle.
Yeah, we're gonna put all this
really is,
away and clean first, I guess. Get our lives together, and then we're gonna go out and run some more errands later in terms of getting like ice and things like that for the party. Okay, so we are making some progress. We're gonna like get help moving the table and like lifting that up, but this opens up the space so much, and we are gonna move the couch and stuff, but we have a few more errands to do. Gotta get, ooh, I showered and straightened my hair. We have to get large, oh, and we hung up that from Amazon. We do large trash bags, paper towels, ice, some alcohol, just stuff in general, and then we're gonna make that cheese board later, etc. We have a few friends coming over, so.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do?
Hey guys, so I don't even know when the last time I vlogged was, but this was such a fun weekend. I just wasn't focused really on like vlogging heavy because you know how it is when you're living in the moment, but I got a few clips with Mariah. I'm so sad. I like totally teared up as I dropped her off. We podcasted this morning, so that should be going up eventually, which is cool. So we have a little bit to look back on from the trip and stuff. I just love Mariah so much. I mean, it's just such a natural friendship. It's truly like, I don't want to get like super emo right now, but it's like one of those friendships where I feel like I could be fully myself, and I never have to worry about what I'm saying or filter what I'm saying or like act any sort of different way or say anything in a different way, because I don't like, it's probably one of the like 2 friendships I have in my whole life where I can be totally transparent, if that makes sense. So yeah, I just love her so much, and it's sad that we'll never live in the same city. She's graduating from Georgia. She's like finishing up in December, but she's not applying to like any jobs. She's originally from Georgia. Like she'll probably end up like in a southern city, if I had to guess. She doesn't know yet where, but it's just sad because I feel like we'll never live in the same city again, so we'll always be like visiting each other in different places and stuff, but it's just kind of crappy. So it's sad, but we FaceTime, we make it work. I feel like we're in like a long distance relationship or not. She got to meet all my friends here though, which was super fun. The party was so fun and such a success. I really do like having people here. We moved all the furniture out of the way and then we moved it all back. I have to recycle a lot of things here, but it's really not that messy. I mean, there's definitely some that I have to clean up, but I have the whole rest of the evening. I have nothing else on my agenda for today. I do have to like do some sort of, no, I don't even want to say like work stuff, but like I haven't really been on my computer all weekend. I just posted a video at what I spend in a week, which I'm getting a little roasted, but I was expecting that. But now I'm actually about to go walk to, because I went through like a lot of my groceries. We had some food from the party we've been snacking on all weekend, but don't really have groceries. And I got all of these film cameras for the party and I want to get the film developed. And I know I could bring them to CVS and they have to send it out, which kind of blows, but it's fine. I'm gonna ask them how long will it take. If it takes like a stupid long time, I'll wait and bring it to a real like film shop. But I could just walk to the CVS and there's a Chipotle nearby. So I figure I'll do that and then just chill on my couch for a little bit, take it easy. But yeah, that was our weekend. We really were like on the go all weekend. Thursday we went to Southie, and then Friday at that party, and then yesterday we watched the Georgia game at the Georgia Alumni Bar, which is Cleary's in Boston in Back Bay, and it was so fun. Alright, so it's been a while. I ate my Chipotle. I think I told you guys that I posted that video, so I've been replying to comments and stuff all day, kind of getting torn apart because I knew it was coming, but the what I spend in a week. But I'm learning a lot from you guys suggesting stuff, so that's why it's been really great. Even just like little suggestions that you guys have made, like, it sounds so obvious, but grocery shopping, and instead of just buying stuff that you think you'll want, like vegetables, like knowing what you're gonna cook them in, which I've just been really off track with doing that. And yeah, I know that I'm gonna be kind of on the go the next few days, so I'm actually not going to grocery shop for the next few days. Sorry, I just got makeup remover on you guys because I'm trying to set you down. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna grocery shop for another like 2 or 3 days because I know that I'm gonna be kind of, actually, this is gonna be hard because I'm going to Miami on Saturday with Steven. I'm so excited. It's just gonna be a really quick trip. We found some super cheap flights. We're staying in a really cool hotel. I'm really pumped. But right now I just have the Summer Fridays overtime mask on my skin. If you guys were wondering, really like this stuff. So yeah, tomorrow I just know I'm gonna wash this off now and then take a shower. I feel pretty dirty right now. It's just been a long weekend, but so I'm gonna take like a nice hot shower right now. Oh, it sounds so good. With the lights off and this Salt Rock lamp on. I have this linked on my Amazon shop always. It's so good. I'm like pulling it off the wall right now. It's like, it has like a little subtle glow. And then I turn off all the lights and I play like a podcast, or I have like one like playlist of music that I listen to. It's pretty hype. So what else is there to say? I think that's really it. I will talk to you guys all, I guess, after I shower and stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do for dinner. I do have some frozen stuff that I could eat. I also made the mistake of saying in my what I eat, I was like, oh, I have no food left. I did have food left. I just felt like eating out. Like, I do that, okay? You know what I mean? But I still do have some frozen things that I could make for dinner. I'm really not even that hungry, but I feel like I should eat dinner, so I probably will. Took out some of the recyclables. It's good. I just know tomorrow's gonna be a pretty busy day. I'm going to SoulCycle at 7 a.m. and then like getting after it. So I just know I need to kind of start planning for tomorrow today. All good. My skin actually feels a lot better after that mask. It always makes it feel really good because it's like an exfoliating mask. I'll try to link this below. These are the 2 Summer Friday masks I use. I use this one. I've been trying to do just like lighter skincare overall, and I think that's helping my skin a lot. I really use this every day as a makeup primer, as an overnight moisturizer, under my eyes, just everywhere. I use the Summer Fridays, like the hydrating mask, and then the overtime one I try to use like once a week to kind of like cleanse off all the dead skin and leftover makeup and like all that gunk. And I've found that going lesser on the skincare is making my skin better overall, so that's a big tip if you guys are struggling, because I think I was like overloading my skin with too much product, if that makes sense, and it's like less is more. So that's the tip of the day. Let's take a nice hot shower. Just finishing up some stuff on my computer. Hi. I'm watching Allison Anderson's video, the worst purchases I made in my 20s. I'm about to pop some sleep gummies and go to bed. What a crazy day. My blue light glasses are all the way over there and I really don't feel like grabbing them. But I would have blue light glasses on right now, I swear. I put on acne stuff. I don't know why. Underneath this right eye is so irritated and red. I don't know how to get rid of it. If you guys have any tips, okay. This was such a fun weekend, seriously. I ate chips and salsa for dinner, so really balanced, but we're really gonna get after it this week because I go to Miami on Saturday, like I said, and I don't wanna feel like garbage. So, all is well. 7 a.m. Soul Cycle will set me off on the right foot for the week. Super excited. Love you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed, you definitely should. A lot of fun videos coming this week, and I am going to film sit down videos this week. I know you guys have been waiting for some of those, so get excited. Love you guys, and we'll chat soon. Bye.